Okay, so today I'm going to be cooking these short ribs, but what we're going to do with these is put these into a curry. So we need to cook these, and then what I like to do is leave it for a day or two. Once it's cooked, put this back into the fridge, and then we reheat and recook in the curry afterwards. Makes for a really nice curry, or you can use it for a chili con carne. So don't really worry too much about the back there where the bone is. It's going to have loads of flavour on it, this. So I'm going to use some of this, which is cheeky moo moo, which is just a blend of basically salt and pepper. Now, I'm not going to put too much of this on. Because we're going to put, as well as this, we're going to put for some more flavour, for a better flavour profile, we're going to go into, so that's all I need of that. That's plenty in there. Of that, we're just going to now use some of our basic seasoning. I'll put up a recipe for this. If people want to just copy the recipe. I'm not going too bad with that, just give that a little bit of colour, and then it'll also add to the flavour. And that's it, that's pretty much seasoned up, that's ready to go on. We'll let that carry on coming up to temperature, and then we'll get it onto the Kamado. Right, okay, so I've put the ribs on, as you can see. Below is a bit of, I believe that's top side of beef. That's for my lunch today, so that's cooking away under there. But so what we're doing now is we put the thermometer in it, and I think we're looking for around 200 Fahrenheit internal temperature. I'll put it is in Celsius on the screen now. So yeah, we just let that cook away. I think when we get round to about 170 we'll wrap it. But we'll see how we go. So that's got a while cooking to go yet. So at the moment the temperature is around the 250 mark, so that's what I'm doing those ribs at the moment, at 250 Fahrenheit. Well, that's looking pretty good now. I'm actually at 180, so I'm going to wrap these. So there's one. I'm going to wrap that quite tight, like that. Do the same with this. Oh, enough for now. Okay, so we're going to have a quick look at these. Smell lovely. Right, now while they're starting to fry up a little bit, those onions, you can just see the I've taken the meat out of the fridge now, so that's just coming up to temperature a little bit while I'm just cooking these off. But we'll do this mix first and we'll go from there. Right, so we've got that going now. So the onions are in, peppers are in, and chuck some of these in. These quartered up tomatoes. Salty. So we've got a good half a tin of that in. You can always add to it. Mix that up a little bit, and then we'll put in our tomatoes. Now, I broke this up the other night, so no worries about putting that in and having to do it.